Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID at Settings, your name. Once signed in, check that iOS is current via Settings General Software Update, because outdated software can hide or alter iCloud options. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active so iCloud can communicate with Apple servers. Now, open Settings and tap your name at the top. That tap is the first actionable step that reveals iCloud controls and sync status. Do that now. Once done with the account tap, select iCloud from the menu you see. This is where all syncing controls live. Scroll the toggles to enable or disable items like Photos, Contacts, iCloud Backup, Drive, and Keychain. Each switch decides what data syncs. Make sure important items are turned on. For backups, tap iCloud Backup and run Backup Now if needed. If you want detail, tap Manage Storage to inspect current backups and see which devices are using your iCloud plan. To complete setup, run Backup Now under iCloud Backup so your latest data uploads. Make sure backup completes before erasing or changing devices. If items don't appear or syncing stalls, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the iPhone, then sign back in. This refresh often resolves account sync glitches. If iCloud storage is full, go to Manage Storage and either delete old backups or upgrade your plan. One quick troubleshooting tip: check date and time set to automatic. Incorrect time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.